In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood struts on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. There's two hood struts over there, and after replacing them, when you open the hood should stay up by itself. You're going to need two things, a long rod like this and a flathead screwdriver. Now let's get the rod and support it in place, right? Make sure it's supported properly, because once you get the struts out, it's only going to be the rod that holds the hood in place, right? So make sure it's secured properly. Let me show you the exact points where I'm securing the rod on the hood, and that's on the body there. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and get the screwdriver and let's start taking off the hood struts. First, let's pry the one clip off a little bit, just enough. Make sure you have your finger on the clip so it doesn't pop off and fly off. Get the strut off from there. Same process for the other end as well. Again, be careful, you don't want this thing going flying away. So keep your finger on it when you're prying it off. Just enough. And now let's get this end off as well. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, so just be patient. Once it's off, let me show you what the clip actually does. See, as I'm trying to pry the clip, it sort of opens up that gap over there, and then I'm able to get the strut off. It's the exact same process for the other end as well, but I'm just going to show you so you know it's very easy. It only takes about 20 seconds per side. So get one side off, then get the other side off of the strut, and then it should come off. One thing I want to show you, so my struts are good over here. With a good hood strut, you should not be able to compress it with just your hand. Now, let's put that back in. And when you're trying to put it back in, you may have to compress the rod manually, like just a little bit, to try and align the slot over there with the hood. Push it in there, push down the clip, and that's pretty much it.